In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the pop-up blocker in Microsoft Edge. If you've ever missed an important pop-up or struggled with blocked content, this guide will show you how to adjust your browser settings to allow pop-ups when you need them. Let's dive in. First, open your Microsoft Edge browser. If you're not familiar with Microsoft Edge, it's the web browser developed by Microsoft that's available on Windows and other platforms. You might use it every day for work, research, or entertainment. Now it's time to find the settings we need. Look to the upper right corner of the browser window. You'll notice three small dots arranged vertically, often referred to as the ellipsis menu. Click on this menu to reveal a drop-down list of options and then select Settings. This will open a new tab or window showing all of Edge's configuration options. With settings now open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see a sidebar. Within this sidebar is the option for Privacy, Search and Services. Click on this option. This section is where you can manage and customize your browser's privacy settings and services integration, giving you greater control over your browsing experience. Next, focus on the section labeled Site Permissions. Site permissions help you manage what websites can do inside your browser, from accessing location data to sending notifications. Click on Site Permissions followed by All Permissions. Once you're there, start scrolling down the list of permissions until you find pop-ups and redirects. This is the feature that manages how pop-ups are handled by your browser. Now click on pop-ups and redirects. In this section you'll see a toggle switch labeled Block Recommended. This switch is the key to enabling or disabling pop-ups in Edge. By default it's set to block pop-ups, which Microsoft recommends as a way to reduce unwanted distractions and potential security risks. However, there are times when you need pop-ups for certain websites like payment gateways or forms that require you to access another window. To allow pop-ups, simply toggle the switch to the off position. By doing so, you're instructing Edge to permit all pop-ups and redirects by default. Remember, while allowing pop-ups can be useful, it can also expose you to more adverts or other unwanted content, so make sure this change suits the way you browse the web. And that's it, you've successfully disabled the pop-up blocker in Microsoft Edge. Now you can freely access sites that rely on pop-ups without any interruption. Remember, you can always revisit these settings and re-enable the blocker if necessary. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.